Okay, everyone, I think we're going to be getting pretty close to some pretty stuff here soon. We've been through snow and sun, and more snow and more sun, but I see some blue skies up ahead, and I'm thinking that right around here somewhere we should be into some beautiful stuff. Hopefully, again, you're enjoying your Easter Sunday. I'm having a nice little cruise from the east coast of North Dakota to the northwest coast of North Dakota. On my way from Moorhead, Minnesota to Williston. Take care of my store up there. I do have a new manager in background, so hopefully everything goes well. Seems to be a talented young man with some ambition. So that's always a good place to start. We'll get through this background check, and we'll be getting him started sometime this week. Probably another 2 weeks of training minimum, maybe 3. Right now I'm the meat on a truck sandwich. I got a truck in front of me and a truck behind me. I haven't really had a good place to try and pass, so we're just going however fast the truck goes. I can see something off in the distance here that looks a little promising. We'll pan over this way for you. Wow, check that out. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Nature's majesty is on display in North Dakota like you've never seen it before. We're about to see some good stuff, folks. We're going through the Badlands again on Highway 22, headed north. We're north of Killdeer, maybe, I don't know, possibly 15 or 20 miles north of Killdeer, I think. I believe we're about, if we're not already on it, we're about to be on the Berthold Indian Reservation. Highway 22 cuts through the Indian Reservation through the Badlands. So, here we go. There's something to see over that way. How's that, folks? What do you think of that view? Sorry about the trucks. Sunday's not a day off up here either. You can't get away from all this truck traffic. It's impossible. There's another shot back that way. I hope it looks as good to you guys as it does to me. I know the video is limited in its peripheral view, but it's just awesome. Plus, I'm maneuvering this vehicle. This is a rented vehicle. We were in my car the last couple of videos, I think, but I hate taking my car up to Williston. There's so many chances for damage up there. People drive like crazy. I almost got plowed into again this trip. Before this time, the last time I took my Silver Susie up to Williston, she damn near got totaled. Hit a patch of ice at a red light. It was impossible to stop, and oh my goodness, I'm sure she was quite angry with me by the time it was all said and done. Anyway, just going over again the updates. Nothing really exciting going on yet. I'm sure the better the weather gets, the more dramatic things will turn again up in Williston. A lot of people leave. They can't handle the cold. So I'm sure with the spring right around the corner, we will be seeing an increase in the population. Oh, here we go. Here we go. This is what we're talking about. I'm going to roll the window down. It might be a little noisy, but the window's a little dirty. I want you to see this as clearly as possible. Look at that. Is that awesome or what? We got a flare up here to the right. Yeah, I know. One comment, flares mean something's happening. You're right, it is. Something's happening. Hey, there's the truck going down the hill sign. I always look for that. That means we're in for a treat, folks. Here comes the really, really good part. Hopefully we don't run out of memory space or battery, because this stuff is incredible. and the sun's lighting it up for you. This is really awesome. Thank you, Lord. It's a beautiful Easter Sunday in North Dakota. And here we go. I'm just going to be quiet and let you look. Can kind of take your breath away. I'm serious. What a beautiful day. What better shot can you folks ask for? I've always wanted to give you some scenery. Today's the day. I know this is going on a bit long, but oh my goodness. It'll take me all night to get these loaded up to the YouTube, but it's worth it. This is what I'm talking about in North Dakota. We just drove onto the reservation. Just entered Fort Berthold Reservation. It's beautiful, folks. I don't know how much longer this lasts for sure, but we're running pretty close to 9 minutes here, so I'm going to give you a side view. I'm going to pan around one more time. Alright everyone, final sign off. We're headed to Williston. I'll give you an update here in the next few days. Bye.